Hey, good morning, everyone. Today's agenda to join this forum is to discuss about the burn up and burn down charge. As you know, while managing IT projects, we need to follow the methodologies. Okay, right now, uh, earlier we were following the waterfall model. In the waterfall model, entire SDLC software development lifecycle was going phase wise, and after completion of one phase our team will be going to the next phase. So there was a dependency, means we'll be considering the entire project as one entity, and then we're performing that, means like right from the analysis to uh, 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 like development to testing to deployment. Okay, each and every phase we were dividing, and the team was performing the task phase wise. In case of agile, instead of going phase wise in the sense the steps we were not following, planning a sprint. Now sprint, one can say, as a means like whenever there are the grooming sessions with the product owner and the team lead or project manager. So product owner will decide, portal will suggest to go for these backlogs in the sprint. Now sprint means the duration of the development. Popularly it's of a 15-day sprint. Sometimes it may be 1 week sprint also, but most of the time in the agile software development we will follow the 15 days sprint planning. So in the grooming sessions or in the sprint planning session, as per the priority of the backlogs, product owner like suggest project managers, right, to go for these backlogs, and as per the capacity of the team, the black backlogs are decided as per the, again, the priority of the stakeholders, as per the backlog, as per the capacity of the team. There are another analysis is there, capacity versus velocity, we'll discuss in the later sessions. So sprint is decided. Sprint means from this date to this date. Let's say, for example, 1st of September 2023 to 15th of September 2023. What are the uh, objectives or the backlogs? Now, backlogs in the sense the the items which we are picking for the development. So, in on your board, the entire, for each and every backlog, the objective of a module, the entire user story, means what objective to be achieved, what is the acceptance criteria, what is the aim, right, the descriptions, the designs, if required the supporting documents will be attached, the story points. The story points means how much number of hours will be allocated to that story points. In this manner, each and every backlog item, right, will be decided, and obviously that story points, cumulative story points, will be will be uh, will be accumulate to the or equal to the capacity of a team and all. So with the help of project manager, with the help of product owners, the backlog items get decided. Sprint is, after sprint planning, the sprint is confirmed that from this date to this date, these are the uh, module, these are the objectives, these are the backlog items team has to work, and then that user stories get assigned to the particular developer, designer, if you need a task of, as I told you, in the agile methodology, right? There is nothing called as after the production, there is a testing or nothing like that. This entire SDLC, right from the analysis to to implementation to testing to debugging to like deployment, everything parallelly going to perform on that sprint. When that sprint is considered as a project now, and it will be after the quality analysis, after the acceptance, after the business acceptance, it will go live also. That model can be demonstrated, right? So so this is what exactly the agile means. So with Team Axiom today, we are planning to give you the entire idea about how the progress of because most of the time in the project management, we are going sprint wise, as we are going it's larger team. Sometimes it's a long projects, long duration projects over there. So every time we need to review the progress, right? Means like whatever the developments we did up till now, right? Like we what are the items we completed, what are the items are till pending for development, right? In the current sprint also, how much tasks are allocated and how much we get it done, how much remains. So uh, as you know, to manage this all the stuffs, nowadays we have a project management softwares like Jira, like Monday.com, many more uh, like project management tools are there. Microsoft project management tool is also available. So there, these all the things about the user stories, story points, the task to whom you allocate to, that entire data is already segregated over there. So we have to just click on the burn up or burn down chart, and you will get the get the results, right? The chart will be plotted, and you can able to, what is chart actually? Graphical representation of data. Means instead of reviewing 5 pages reports, one can just click it on and then have a comparative analysis, have a like visualization of that all the data, just like in your cricket matches. If you want to have a comparative analysis and the predictions over there after 50 overs, means like here the team Pakistan scored, here the team India scored over there. So like if in the, we are in the 25th over, what was the position of Pakistan, how much wickets, and what is the position of India, and what is the prediction, sort of. I'm just giving an example. So in the similar manner, for the reviewing of the progress of an entire team, we need to plot, we need to take assistance of a burn up and the burn down chart. Now, burn up, obviously, it is for the prior sprints or what you already did, and burn down means in the in the current or the like future one, okay, or the current sprint, what is going on, what is that positions, what is the progress of the project, how much completed, how much remains, how much pending. So these kind of analysis we can have using this burn up and burn down chart. So before going for the handed over this session to the team Axiom, as it is a like prerequisite that we should aware about that what is agile, what is Scrum, right? Scrum is a board actually, okay, the way means like it's a ceremonies for the team management, right? Sprint planning, sprint execution, sprint retrospective, okay. Means like instead of means without planning the things, now sprint means I already told you the duration for the development, right? And then the means there are every day there is a meet with the team where where project manager will ask the questions like what they were performing, what they're on board, what their task on board, and what they, if there is any blocker they try to remove it. So sort of quick 20-25 minutes like every day there will be meet over there in the stand-up calls in the morning, or the review meets in the evening. So in this manner, uh, the project manager, team lead, right? The product owner, the stakeholders, everyone is actually getting connected with these product management softwares, and then they all can monitor. They all can uh, aware about the review, about the progress review over there. So let us discuss all these topics. I'm just elaborating these all the steps to let you know what exactly the topic of discussions, and my team will give you the guidance how the entire things can be done. At the same time, we'll be taking example, because as we are not uh, giving you the uh, giving the presentations on the real clientele project data. Obviously this it's a confidential, so what we can do, instead of giving that burn up and burn down chart, we will take an example of by excel, and we'll take a data. Okay. And we as assumptory data we will take, and we'll plot the uh, burn up and burn down chart in front of you. So this is what the agenda for a day. So certainly I'll assure that you will enjoy these presentations and understand how the agile way of software development. At the same time, how everyone can able to review the progress of, and then do some updates if they want, like if they are going behind the lagging behind the progress rate, or if they are suddenly quick actions they want to take, they can take from out of it over there. Over to team Axiom to elaborate the the software development project management, and how the burn up and burn down chart can be plotted, and how the benefits we can get for reviewing the progress of it. Over to team Axiom.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. This is Nutan Sonwane from Team Axiom, software project management, tool like burn up and burn down chart. These are some contents regarding our presentation. We firstly go through the agile methodology, burn up chart, burn down chart, then why we use burn down chart here, and comparison of burn up and burn down chart. Then we will go through the benefits of burn down chart, and then the how we create will show you with the demonstration. See, agile is nothing but a methodology, which is a project management methodology or approach that involves breaking the project into phases and emphasizes continuous collaboration and improvement. The project management team follow a cycle of planning, executing, and evaluating here. The agile software development life cycle helps us to break down each project into six simple stages. These stages include concept, inception, iteration, release, maintenance, and retirement here. See, concept include project scope and priorities. How we can achieve that scope with respect to priorities it defined. Inception include build the agile team according to project requirement. Iteration include creating a code, factoring in customer feedback. Release include test the code and troubleshoot any issue regarding the project testing, we can say. Maintenance include it provides ongoing technical support to ensure the product remains serviceable here. Retirement phase include the end of the project product lifespan, which often we can say coincides with the beginning of a new one here. So if we see Scrum here, Scrum is also a part of agile development methodology, which is used in the development of software based on an iterative and incremental processes. Scrum is adaptable, fast, flexible, and effective agile framework here that is designed to deliver value to the customer throughout the development of the project. See, primary objective of Scrum is to satisfy the customer's need through an environment of transparency in communication, collective responsibility, and continuous progress to development of particular product. The development starts from a general idea of what need to be built, elaborating a list of characteristics ordered by priorities here. We can say it as a product backlog also, that the owner of the product want to obtain here through this. Now, if we go through the sprint here, sprints are the heartbeat of Scrum, we can say, because Scrum divided the phases, product phases or implementation phases, and sprint provides a timeline, we can say. That's why sprints are the heartbeat of Scrum, where ideas are turned into value. The sprints in the Scrum event that encompasses all of the other Scrum events here. Agile projects are broken down into sprints or iteration short, repeatable phases, we can say, typically 1 to 4 weeks long. The number and the length of the sprints should be determined at the beginning of the project, and each sprint should result in a draft, prototype, or workable version of the final deployment of specific product or a project here. Now, if we go with the analysis, we move towards a burn up and burn down chart. Here, overview of this both the charts. Burn up and burn down charts are used to show the progress of any project, we can say, which is completed or which need to be completed within a project development. These charts are widely used in Agile and Scrum project management also. Here, burn-up charts are an essential part of the Agile methodology, as they keep track of what have been accomplished across each sprint. In this way, they are also useful for Scrum team, as the Scrum Master can review their burn-up charts to analyze where improvements can be made and cover this in daily meeting with the rest of the team here. So it shows improvement of our ongoing implementation phases as well as a completed phases also. Now, if we move towards a burn down chart, burn down charts is a visual representation of the amount of work remaining to perform versus the work of the time available with us. Such a chart is commonly used in Scrum board and other agile workflow life cycles for software development. In addition to software development projects, burn down charts can be used on any project in which progress over time matters. Burn down charts can be used to estimate how long it will take to complete all of the tasks which is allocated or which is need to allocate. During a working day, the software development team or any other team that is using the burn down chart can update the chart so that the whole team would know about the stages of the project and the amount of time needed to complete the project here. So, see, the key of effective time management is to maintain a sustainable pace, and that's where burn down chart can help to the project team. Burn down charts allow team members to view progress and adapt their efforts to meet their goals going forward and proceed towards the implementation completion. Burn down charts are essentially too short in the agile scrum processes. A sprint, we can say, or a product burn down chart. Here, a sprint, that is a release burn down chart, which is used to keep track of how much work is remaining in a particular sprint. A product burn down chart, which shows to control the amount of work remaining on an entire project here. So we can track the particular project implementation process here. So why we use a burn down charts only? Here are some of the reasons to use a burn down chart for your software development project or any other projects, we can say. Keeping track of the project scope creep here, maintaining the team's schedule in a proper way so that we can achieve our goals, comparing the schedule work to the progress of the team, we can compare of how much work we remain or how much we work we need to uh, complete, which kind of controlling we need to follow through this. See, here is a graphical representation of burn up versus burn down chart, which shows here burn up chart shows how much has been completed work accordingly, we can say timeline, and burn down chart shows how much is remaining to be completed. So burn up chart shows the uh, past work which is completed, but we need to improve if we want. So this shows with the burn up chart, and burn down chart shows us how much remaining work we need to complete with the we can say with respect to timelines. Here are some benefits regarding burn down charts. See, burn down charts are project management tool that allow you to visualize how quickly the project team is performing alongside the user stories of the customer. It is a valuable agile tool that relies up the end user perspective to describe a future and then demonstrate the aggregate efforts with respect to the work done against each iteration or the agile sprint, we can say. Given time, we can say here. Story points. These story points provide information about the remaining time for project completion and the task needed to ensure completion. We need to complete in a timeline here. For instance, story point would tell you that there are 20 tasks to be completed for a project which has 10 days until its deadline. So it helps us to shows the alarming situation through which we can achieve our targets, our deadlines to complete a task. Now, how to create a burn down chart? It's a simple way. It's a not a complex way. It's a simple way to design or to we can say maintain this burn down chart. We can create burn down chart in two ways. See, you may choose to use a project management tool that generates such important charts for you. We can, example, if we can say that dashboards are there. Another way to create a burn down chart is to use Microsoft Excel to take a more manual approach. Through this, we can put our we can completed task with a manual approach or using our own manual approach. Now, the demonstration part is going to explain you by Rahul. So, over to you, Rahul.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so as we just discussed about what is agile, what is Scrum, and what is Sprint, and what is the burn up and the burn down chart. So I hope you understand so theoretically, but now we can showcase you how we can done with the practical things. Okay, so simply I will give here the title and the example for the burn up chart firstly. So for the burn up chart, we have to we have the title of burn up chart, and here we can give the a project name also we can give. Okay, so to analyze the things, we have to give the date as a sprint. Okay, so here we have to simply enter the date. We can go with the past data, so we can start from the 1st September onwards for this month only, and we can continue till now. So we analyze the things properly. Okay, so here I have just enter the dates of for the 9 days sprint, or we can go with the 15-day sprint also. Okay, so here we have to enter the allocated task. That means how much actual task allocated. So here we have to enter the number of tasks. Okay, so we can give here the task details, how many numbers of tasks we have assigned, for particular day. So we have to just enter the data of the task status. Here we have to give the like actual task completed. So we have to give here actual task done. Okay. So if like we completed the task out of 10, like we completed the 8 tasks. Here we have to like completed 7, 6. We can give 5. We have to 9 out of 9 task is completed. We can give the 9, 10, and 7. Okay, so here is like a allocated task and the actual task. Okay, so by using the burn of chart details, we can analyze the things like how much task we have allocated and we was allocated and how much task we completed. So for this, like we have to create the like chart to analyze the things. Okay, so by using the chart and graph, we can analyze very quickly and easily. So we have to select all the data and we have to like go to insert and we have to select the insert line chart. So in the insert line chart, there is like a line with marker chart. So use this chart like for to analyze show the trends of the overtime in the years, months, and the date or categories. So like when we have to use this, like we have to use this the order of the categories for like important data we have to analyze, and there are some few points also to analyze things. That is the like story points. Okay, so we generated the graph for the burner. So here we have to simply uh, change the title of the project. So we have to just enter here the equals to, as you know, like in the Excel, every formula starts with the equal to. So we have to just simply click on the burn up chart. So and we have to click enter. So it will automatically take your title of the chart. So after that we can like edit also. Okay. And here is some functionality like we can add here like here is no axis title, so we have to just click on the checkbox of axis title and we can select the axis title. And like here is like grid lines also given, so we can remove that grid lines like to more better understanding of the like story points. So then we have to like just here we can add like some more data labels also. So we can give the data labels to analyze the points, but it will create the confusion. So we have to just remove the things. Instead of that, we can like give here the data tables to analyze the like story points in the same chart. So here also your data will be shifted. So you can take reference from here also. So after that, like here is the no like line or the like that chart area is only just showing the numbers. So we have to format this by using the format axis functionality. So here we have to just go to tick marks option, and the major type is it should be outside. So it will automatically give the indicates like this, and we can give the like major and minor also, so we can show like this also, but here we don't have like use of that, so we can give the only major type tick marks only. After that we can like give the color, and we can increase the size also. So from here we can get the line of that bar chart to better understanding of the story points. These are the story points like 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. These are the range of your like task list. Okay, so we have to focus on these, and after that we have to do the same things for this chart also. So we can go to like tick marks, and outside is given, but like there are no like color and the size of that. So we have to just give color. Okay. So here we can show the like burn up chart. So by using this chart, we can like analyze the performance and like how much task completed and how much we allocated. Here is like indicators for the burn up chart. like Axiom VIP project. For the Axiom VIP project, like how much allocated task and like actual task done. By using this, like we can analyze for the burn up chart. Now we can go for the like burn down chart. So simply we have to go for the same process. Like we can give here the burn down chart. Like a burn down chart is for the like analyze like how much work remaining from the project. So for this purpose, we are using the burn down chart. Okay. So here also we have to give the dates, but these dates will be like for the future or the current date. Okay, so we can go with like today onwards, like 9th, 12th September 2023. To will plan the things for the next 15 days also. Okay, here will be the like actual task will be there, and here will be the like remaining task. This task also we have to enter, like we was like enter for the burn up chart. So here also we have to do the same. This edit and this data will be the change because this will be the not like current data. There will be the like obviously past data also will be given, but we have to enter the like future data also, like minimum task we have to done in that sprint also. Give the task list. Okay, here we have to like showcase the how much task is remaining to like analyze the burn down chart. It's like a 10 out of 6 task is remaining. So we have to give as per the like a burn up chart. We have to analyze the things how many task is done and how many task is remaining. So we can give here the, like a tentative task for understand the things. Okay, so here is the like remaining task and the actual task data. So by using this, we can analyze for the burn down. The same process we have to do. So we have to select the data and we have to go to insert. Here is the like insert line chart. So by using the like line with markers, we can use the chart. Okay, so here we have to like change the title of the task. Okay. We can edit that also by using the like existing functionality, or we can like use here functionality is already given. Okay, so same like we have to do here. By using the like format axis, we have to do the like same process for to tick marks and all the things. So from here also we have to change. Okay, this is the breakpoints or like the sprint points. So for that like we have to give the color. There are so many functionalities we can like use functionality to better understand. Okay, here is the axis title also will be there. So to understand the things, we have to give the axis title also. So by using equals to, we have to give the axis title. These are the allocated tasks. To indicate that, we have to click on the allocated task and we simply have to enter. So it will automatically appear here. So we can do here like size and color. So this is the date. So to indicate the dates, we have to give the like a date. For the same, like we have to take the date section. We have to give the date here. Okay. So here also we can give the like axis title to more better understanding uh, like what data and which data we are analyzing. So these all the actual task only. And here is the like dates given. So we have to give here the date. Okay. Okay, so here we created a burn up chart and a burn down charts. It's very easy to like create the things and manage the things as well, as like we are doing this activity manually. But after the like chart creation, we can like see the progress. Like it's very easy to understand also. And here, as per the understanding, we can apply the like labels also, like data labels as we already given. Like, here we can show the like. How much like task completed. By using this also here we can show the values of the like task, but for that we can use like a data table to more understand. So for as per the understanding we can customize this chart. So this all from my side. Hope you understand everything.
Hey, hi everyone. I hope you all understand the conceptualizations and what exactly the motive or the purpose behind this plotting this burn up and burn down charts, right? As let us once the backlogs items are defined, right? So whatever role you are performing in a team, once that user story is assigned to you, right? So in this manner, that all the backlogs items will be assigned to various development team, which they are performing the various roles in a team. So what they can what the user story is accessible to them. They need to understand what is the objective, what is the description, the supportive attached files, right? And the story point, the points indicates the number of hours allocated to them. They can comment on that particular user story, right? They can they can submit their work also over there. So in case of real uh, software management tools, PM management tools, product management tools, they have that all the live data available, right? So that like as a managers, as a stakeholders, you just need to click on the burn up burn down chart, and the on the from that live data about the actual allocated task and the actual completed, we can have the progress review of that all the tasks over there. So this the agenda for today's session is to let you know what is agile, how the Scrum masters plan the Scrum boards, and then uh, how we can review the progress of all the allocated tasks all the time, right? So to give the entire idea about this agile way, right? Probably this session will help you helpful to you, and more, you hope you understand the concepts of this all the way of software development. Thanks to Nutan and Rahul, they did a wonderful job to explain you how the Scrum and Agile, as well as how the uh, your burn up and burn down charts will be developed. Now here we are taking an example of Excel because of the reason I told you. Okay, we can't disclose the real clientele projects and the data over there, so we had taken an Excel to add the data manually and plot the burn up and burn down chart. So forum is open for you guys. If you have any questions, kindly let me know. Yes, Sandeep.
Yes, sir, Rahul sir and Anutam explained very well. As Anutam explained in the PPT that we can use manually and create manually and also use the management tools.
Right.
So for this demonstration, we are using Excel. So I want to know which management tools are available and how we can use that.
Okay, like look, as I told you, the very popular software project management tools that is called a Jira. Jira is a software, right? Where that all the stuffs what I'm talking about. You can create the sprint, you can you can define the user stories, right? You can add all the team members over there, right? So there are if you just google out about the various project management tools, right? So Microsoft having their own pm management tool, monday.com, and there are a lot of other things are there, asana, and like many more project management tools are there. Sandeep, idea is in all, obviously, all these project management tools, maybe their interface is different, maybe their concepts somewhere user interface is here and there, but the major objective of the project management tools is to just define the user stories, allocated the task, and then get all the data, and then like the flow of the project, the progress of the project can be viewed over there. So right now, as we are not using any other tools to demo sessions, we have taken example of Excel to plot the graphs, but these are the tools you can explore,
Yeah,
tools like a Jira and all. Yeah, hope I answer you.
yeah, yeah. Yes. Yeah, got it, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Nutan.
So this particular burn down and burn up chart is suitable only for software projects, or we can use in other product developments.
Yeah, good question, Nutan. Actually, like this is not related to the only software development, but as we know, we are part of the IT projects management, so we are considering it. Anything like okay, how much like tasks are allocated and supposed to be completed within that particular durations, and how much we did. Okay, so like in a general life also, or like in other way around. Okay, we have a plan of certain things, and as per the plan how much we completed. So it's a comparative analysis, it's analytical report it will generate. Yeah,
Where there is a target based work performance or work development, we
exactly.
can use there.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. That means like
Yeah.
in let's say next 15 days this is the plan, right? So every day you may have like first of September you have to you're having a plan of a 10 tasks to be defined, and out of that how much how much you did, right? So it's like propose versus like done, that kind of stuffs are
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
there. Okay, any other questions, guys? Hey, thank you very much, guys, for your availability for this live streaming sessions. And I hope certainly it will help you out to understand everything related to the project management. Most of the times, we will pick up the technical topics for your references, for your explorations, right? So it certainly help you out to understand the things more. At the same time, Team Axiom will also get an opportunity to explore that topic and prepare for you, so that we can also get ready for all these tasks which we are trying to provide the best solutions for the industry. I hope these all the streaming sessions you will enjoy, and at the same time, if you have any queries related any technical topics or any sessions you need, or you want to contribute, or you want to join the team zone, you're most welcome over here. So thanks again to Team Axion, especially Nutan and Rahul. They performed very well to and did hard work to make this session presentable. Thank you very much, all. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thanks for
Thank you.
opportunity.